Hi, this is a little tip to learn how to perform chin-ups and pull-ups by using a resistance band. A lot of people struggle doing chin-ups or pull-ups because they just haven't got the strength in the arms and back to get themselves up. What you want to do is get a resistance band which can lift your weight, tie it around the top, put your foot on the bottom, then get in the position what you're doing, either a chin-up or pull-up, and perform the move. What you want to do is make sure your chest is out and your shoulders are back and pulling from the back, not from the arms when you're performing one of these. After a while, release the tension on the band to a lighter one, and eventually you should be able to do these without no help at all. Hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.